Today I'm going to show you how to create a garden design with Arcadium 3D. There's two huge benefits to using Arcadium for landscape design. One, Arcadium is 3D and gardens are 3D. Walls, archways, terraces, you get a much better feel for the space by showing things in 3D. And two, it's really easy to show clients and stakeholders beautiful visualizations, and they can actually do a virtual walking tour of the space in 3D. So let's get started. If you already have a 2D sketch of what you'd like, you can drag that straight into the project. But be sure to set the scale correctly. Getting this right will save you a lot of headaches later on. Next, I typically like to block out the key areas, any lawn or planting areas, or any walls or fences or gateways. Drawing rectangles is pretty easy, but if you have organic curved shapes, you'll want to use the pen tool to create the curves. You can draw the key points and the corners, and then click on the lines and just drag to adjust the curvature. A quick side note here, if you find yourself accidentally dragging objects out of place while doing this, I recommend using the lock option to lock them into place and stop the accidental drags. Once you've done that, here's the fun part: adding plants, furniture and people. You can drag and snap these into place. Sometimes the snapping does get in the way though, so to get around this you can hold shift or click the magnet icon to turn off snapping. And for precise placement you can use the red arrows, which allow you to move along one axis at a time. To change the size of objects, use the blue handles. Make sure you're holding Alt if you want to scale in all dimensions at the same time. And to rotate objects, use the orange handle or press the R button. To change the colors, you can use the paint tool. If you want to change a lot of colors at the same time, hold shift and select all the objects you want to change first, and then just pick the color or material you want to change them to. And then just keep layering. It's nearly always the case that the more plants the better, and eventually you'll get something like this. You can then let your clients take a virtual walking tour or generate some visualizations of what it might look like in different seasons or at different times of day. Enjoy. Let me know how you get on in the comments.